Realme is working on a new tablet. A rather detailed leak showcases the Realme Pad 2 4G. The company's device will be accompanied by the Helio G99 chipset. After some experimentation with Qualcomm in the Realme X and Unisoc and the Realme Pad Mini, the company has gone back to MediaTek as the original Realme Pad. The Helio G99 will be paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It will come with 8360 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging via USB Type-C port. It has 4 speaker grills, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. It will come with a 4 speaker setup. The camera island houses 2 cameras. It has a 120 megapixel rear snapper. The other one is LED flash. And then you will get Android 13 in the box with the Realme UI 4.0. It's kind of strange because the original Realme Pad is stuck with Android 11 and the Realme Pad X is running Android 12. Realme claimed they will get 2 years of update for all the tablets, but somehow the original tablets never got an update. The pricing is still not revealed. Should come out in August or September, and there is no size idea of the screen of the Realme Pad 2 and what technology is using. Most probably use the LCD like the previous ones. Is it a good buy? I don't think it's a good buy at all because they are not updating their tablets, and it will come with stockish Android, so there will be no extra features.